Good morning. Today we are going to learn about the concept of cookies in JavaScript. So the cookies are data or a small amount of text files stored on your computer. So the cookies are invented to solve the problem of remembering the user or remembering the information about the user. So previously when we don't have the concept of cookies, the web server cannot remember about a user. So it forgets everything about the user. So to solve this problem and to remember the information about the user, they have invented the concept called cookies. When the user visits the web page, a small amount of text file will be stored in the browser about the user. So with this information, again when the user revisits the website or reloads the website, it will get the values from the cookies and identify the user information and display accordingly. See, this is the live example of cookies and how cookies works. So here I am opening a web page, that is Ask Me Bazaar. So this is the initial opening of the web page. So when I open this web page for the first time, you can see a window popping up on the screen, that is it is asking for select your city. So let me select my city as Hyderabad. So after selecting the city, so here you can see the city Hyderabad is selected, and again I am reloading the page. So this is the second time opening of the page. So this time it is not asking me for any location to set. It automatically selected to Hyderabad. So let me close this and let me open the page again, askmebazaar.com. So if you see here, see Hyderabad is selected automatically and no pop-up window has been appeared to select your city. So this has been achieved, the concept of cookies. So I will show you the live demonstration. So if you go to your web browser settings, you can see the cookie with the domain name Ask Me Bazaar. The domain name is actually the website what we open. So here if you see, you'll be having a cookies, different cookies here. 8 cookies have been created under the domain of Ask Me Bazaar. So let me show another live example by removing all these things. So I have removed or have cleared all the cookies regarding Ask Me Bazaar, and I am reloading this page. So see what happens now. See, again you can see here a pop-up window asking for your city. So this is the concept of cookies and how it is actually implemented. So what happens is, when I selected the city, that is Hyderabad, a cookie has been stored in the web browser, like the particular in the particular system, in the particular web browser, the location is Hyderabad. So next time whenever I open this web page in this browser, see, it automatically selects to Hyderabad. So that is the live example of showing you the concept of cookies. So if you see here again, you can see like Ask Me Bazaar, and again the same cookies will be created. So now let's learn how to create a cookie and how to check for a cookie and how to get a cookie. So let us see the syntax for creating a cookie. So the syntax for creating a cookie is document.cookie equal to some cookie name and the value. So here the cookie name is username and the value of the cookie is Hyderabad. So like this, for example, if you have seen Ask Me Bazaar. So if you want to apply this example, apply the syntax for the city of Hyderabad, you can give like document.cookie equal to city. The name of the cookie is city and the value in the cookie is Hyderabad. So with this we can create a cookie. And another way is for creating a cookie is mentioning the expires syntax. This expire syntax indicates the date and time when to expire a cookie. So if we mention this attribute at this particular date and time, the cookie will automatically expires or will be deleted from your browser. So now let's see how to set a cookie and get a cookie. So set a cookie is initially, if the cookie is not available, we'll set for a cookie. So before setting a cookie, we need to get a cookie. That is, we have to check whether the cookie is available or not. If the cookie is not available, then we'll create a cookie. If the cookie is available, then we'll get the cookie value and we'll process accordingly. So that's why initially we are calling the function called getCookie with the cookie name as username. So this function will check whether the cookie username is available or not. If it is available, it will return the value of the username. If it is not available, it will return the empty string. So based upon that, we'll display a welcome message or we'll display a prompt window. So what happens is, if the cookie is available, this if will be executed, then an alert message will be displaying some welcome message. If the cookie is not there, then it will execute the else statement. That is, it will display the prompt window and ask the user to enter his name, and by the username the cookie will be set. So here we are calling the set cookie function, that is creation of cookie. So this is the function for creating the cookie. Here we are having three attributes: cookie name, cookie value, and expires. That is to mention the expired date. So with this function, the cookie will be created, and with the function like getCookie, the cookie will be retrieved. So let us see a live example of this. So I have already opened this earlier. So here we are having three functions, that is setCookie, getCookie, and checkCookie. So initially checkCookie will be called. The function checkCookie will be called. Here it will call the getCookie function with the cookie name, username. So what happens is, the checkCookie function will be called, and it will check for the cookie name like username. If the cookie is available, then it will return that value of the username, and then alert window will be displayed. If the cookie is not available, then it will display the prompt window and ask for the username. So let us see the example. See here, it is displaying the prompt window, that is enter your username. So I am entering my username, that is Santhosh, and I have next let us see the result. See, it is displaying the welcome message like welcome Santhosh. So what happens is, a cookie is created with the value Santhosh. So next time whenever the user opens this page, it always shows like welcome again Santhosh. But for the initial time, it asks for the username. So let us see again. Like I'll show you, I'll delete the cookie, that is under W3 schools. See username, and the value is Santhosh. So I am removing this. See. So again, if the page is loaded, see. So this is if the cookie is not available, then the user is visiting the web page for the first time. So it is asking for her or his name. So I am entering again Santhosh, and I have selected OK. So the cookie is saved. If you want to see, you can see here W3 schools. See, the user cookie is created. So next time when the user opens the same page, it will display a welcome message like welcome again Santhosh. So this is the example for cookies, and how to create a cookie, and how to retrieve the cookie, and how to check for a cookie. So this is the today's class on cookies. So hope you enjoyed the class. Thank you.